Hello everyone, I'm Sufyan back with another video. Today going into the roadmap of AI, becoming an expert in AI. We all know how fast AI is evolving. Let it be the self-driving cars or let it be the robotics or every other things what we see right now. So this roadmap will help you to become a zero to AI expert. Let you be a beginner or let you be already studying AI. This will be very useful for you guys. Starting with our step one, first thing is if you're a beginner, just learn basic what AI is. So AI is nothing but it's everywhere right now. We can see there's the ChatGPT, let it be self-driving cars, let it be the Amazon recommendation system, Netflix recommendation system. All these are consisting of AI only. And after that, you can try a basic of no-code AI platforms and do small projects so that you can understand how AI is and how you can use it. Then coming into the main AI stuff, that's the step two. Learn a programming language. We can use other programming languages as well, like JavaScript is there for web into AI, and you can use like R, which is a statistical language used for AI. But the main and the king of AI programming is Python. So Python you need to learn Python. Why? Because Python is a very easy language to be learned and it's very useful, and it's of lots of libraries for machine learning and deep learning. When you start with Python, you need to learn basics of Python, then go into the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These are the basic libraries for machine learning. Then comes the main part, that is maths. You need to be thorough with maths concepts like probability, linear algebra, statistics. Why? Why maths? Maths is very important in AI because all the concepts comes under mathematics only. And if you somehow manage to copy the code and create your own model, but when you go through errors, you won't be able to solve them, or you won't be able to create a good model without having knowledge of mathematical concepts. So it's very necessary to learn math behind every ML concept. Then after that, when you learn Python and maths, then you can go to the next step, that's step 3. That is, you can start with the main ML and DL concepts. ML and DL concepts are very vast and major syllabus is there. The main ML concepts include supervised learning, machine learning, and unsupervised machine learning. Then deep learning and going to neural networks, RNN, CNN. All these are very necessary. Remember to learn mathematical concepts behind them as well. While doing the Python or your machine learning or your deep learning, remember to create projects. Each thing what you learn you should create a project after that, because these projects will be very helpful for you to test how much you have learned and how much good you have grasped the concepts. Then after doing machine learning, you can create projects like basic projects like email classification using scikit-learn. And for Python also, you have lots of basic projects that also you can use, and you can create those projects as well. After that, you can get into the step 4, which is you can have a specialized in a domain that is going to the advanced level. This will help you to stand out of everyone else. Then in this recently trending fields, what we have seen is computer vision, that consists of face recognition or object recognition, object detection. Then NLP is there, natural language processing, sentiment analysis, chatbot. Then we can use AI in finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, gaming. All these are useful. So grab a particular field and go deeper into it. For that also, you can do different projects like you can create a chatbot using ChatGPT 4, or you can train your own image classifier as well. So remember to do projects every time when you learn something. This will be very useful. After that, you can do some real world AI projects as well to improve your resume, and you can contribute to open sources. Then you can publish research papers. After doing all this, you can expect a high paying job in the field of AI as well. If you want to do real world projects, you can try out like problem statements or hackathon problem statements, which are already available on the internet. These will be very useful. SIH problem statements are there. Those are all real world government problem statements that can be helping you improving your AI concepts over there. Then other than that, if you ask me how like AI will help you, or how main our criteria is to earn from AI, right? So you can do freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or you can start your own startup. Like you can create a SaaS product, and you can try to make your own product startup as well, right? Then you can, you can make your research papers, you can publish your articles on Medium, Google Scholar, and job is always there. So you'll be getting a high paying job because it's the trending technology. It's just that you need to be a major in your field. You need to know a lot about your field, your own domain. Okay, remember that. Other than that, if you're interested in AI, and if you're like serious about AI, you're learning about AI, comment below and subscribe for more tips. And you can find other resources in the description as well. Reach me out on LinkedIn. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile. If you have any queries, you can anyways contact me anytime. I'll be free to be helpful to you. And this is my GitHub repository where you can see my repositories if you want to see anything. And feel free to reach out, do comment below, do like and share the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, please comment down. Thank you. Signing off, Sufyan.